Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about if you can become a full-time trader on Bybit and if you can become a full-time trader overall. So many people make this mistake. We're going to be talking in another video what exactly is going on, what is in the place right now. Is Bybit trading even worth it? How you can become a full-time crypto trader. All of that in a very, very short term. And I think this is the number one mistake people make. And the mistake I made myself is not taking proper research. When I didn't take proper research, I made a big mistake. Like Bitcoin is at $21,000 right now. It's nowhere near where it was, you know. If we look at a 1 month chart, okay, it's not that bad. 1 week chart, okay, it's not perfect. It definitely was worse. It was at 16,000, now it's $5,000 up. But we're nowhere near the bull runs. We're nowhere near 65,000 and a lot of people, you know, they get liquidated because they trade risky. They trade risky, and that's the biggest problem we have right now. Like these young kids, I'm sorry, I don't know how else to say it, but I have been in the space for a long time, and I know what I don't always talk about things. I don't always make videos about things, but the issue that really is right now the biggest problem is a lot of people. They see easy profit. There's so much online money. There's so much easy profit in this world. And people fail to realize, yeah, maybe it's not that easy. And then they get liquidated because they start doing high leverage trades. And I get it, guys. High leverage trades are good. You know, they make me a lot of monies. But it's not like that. It's not that simple. I think a lot of people fail to realize what's going on is that with these high level trades, is you're taking a high level risk and you can lose everything. So they either start trading with too big amounts, they don't trade with small amounts, and it becomes a huge problem later on for anyone starting to trade. So if you want to start trading, how you can become a professional trader and you know, make full-time income crypto trading, you got to start with a small amount. That's the number one. Because if you start with $100 and lose it all the next day, who cares? You could have spent this on like 3 meals, right? Eating outside, or you would spend that money anyway, $100 to live. But if you lose, you know, $10,000 by starting to trade when you got wrecked and now you have to start from nothing, maybe go back to your day job, working, I don't know, for minimum wage, high wage, doesn't matter, but to get all that money back. So a lot of traders, you know, they say, oh, I'm going to make full time just by 1 month. It takes like 1 year. It takes a long time to actually get to there. And I don't think a lot of YouTubers are talking about this. I don't think a lot of YouTubers are talking how risky it is to start trading big. But you also will always want to be careful and slow. There's so many free guides on YouTube, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing to you guys. But yeah, wanted to make a quick announcement like that. First video on this channel. I'll make some shorts. I'll make some videos. I'll keep you guys in the news. Peace, everyone.